Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Bluelex V30 Cash Counter. On the top of the box we have some Bluelex branding, V30 model name and an image of the device. It's pretty much the same on this side as well, but the image of the device is with cash in it and in its fully assembled state. On the left hand side of the box we have a few of the salient features, which include saving time and labor costs, easy to use, counts 600 bills per minute. It is also versatile as it can be used via a wall outlet or even with batteries, and it has a counting cover and carrying pouch included in the box. The right hand side is exactly the same. There is nothing on the bottom. And that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. The inside we get some literature in the form of a user guide. This should help you assemble the cash counter and help you get started off with using it. We also have a thank you note from the brand. A carrying pouch has also been provided. Here we have the power supply adapter and cable. It has a standard 2-pin Indian plug on one end and a barrel type connector on the other. The whole thing is approximately 60 inches long. And we also have two brackets that you have to basically place on the cash counter to accommodate smooth flow of notes. Coming to the cash counter itself, we can see that it has a grey color theme going for it on most of it, and over here we have a transparent dark blue color theme. Up here is the display, which will display the number of notes that it has counted. Underneath that we have the start and add buttons. On the side we have the counterpart to the barrel type connector of the charger, and we also have a hatch for the battery. It can hold 4 AA batteries and it can be used in a portable way thanks to the battery that we would place in here. On the bottom we have two anti-skid pads, and that's about it. So let's power the device on and see how it works. So this is how we can attach these arms. When you press start, this wheel rotates and it moves the cash, and there are sensors behind it where it will count the number of notes that have been moved by the wheel. So this was the unboxing of the Bluelex V30 Cash Counter. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.